The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everyone, my name's Craig Cobb and I go by the name Trader Cobb. I'm a cryptocurrency trader and I've been trading traditional markets like foreign exchange, bonds, commodities and stocks for 11 years. I've been investing since I was 15 or 16 years old, I can't remember, it was a while ago. And I want to take you on a journey throughout a series that I've created for all of you. Okay, this is here so that you can get an understanding for what trading is all about. Not just trading, but trading within the cryptocurrency marketplace. Now, I'm in a very fortunate position that I have the skill set after years and years and years of traditional market trading through a formulated, systemized and checklist trading approach. It's really important that we have a replicable way to go into these markets. If you're getting lucky, hey, look, that's fantastic, but luck is not a strategy. So what I've devised is bringing to you what I use day in and day out through my written checklist. Now, I'm not just going to teach you about technical analysis. Now, for those of you who don't know what trading is, technical analysis won't mean much to you. And technical analysis, I'll teach it to you throughout the series, but the bottom line is it's looking at a chart. And a chart is human emotions because we are predictable. We do the same things again and again and again. And as we've known from time and time again, history repeats itself. And that's the only reason why charts work. It's as simple as that. Now, what I'm going to bring throughout this series is a number of little videos. They're relatively short, from about 3 to 5 minutes, the most of them. They're going to be little snippets as to what you need to learn to understand trading in these cryptocurrency markets. As a trader, there's a reason why I've stopped trading everything else and I've focused exclusively on cryptocurrency. The reason is volatility. As a trader, I need to be trading with good big moves. Now, there's no other market in the world right now where we will see 10% move in a day and nobody even bats an eyelid. You can't compare that to foreign exchange, to equities anywhere in the world, or commodities. There is no better place right now than this amazing emerging market, which is blockchain and crypto assets. The volatility is insane, the opportunity is insane, and the best way to sort of think about this, it's like Internet 2.0. You can think back to a time when the internet was new and we couldn't work out what it was all about. Now, we couldn't live without it. Now, you don't need to take my word for it, and I don't expect you to. I'm asking you to watch through this series. If you've got any inkling or desire to learn how to either invest in cryptocurrencies, to learn about crypto assets, or to learn how to become a trader, because the best thing in the world right now is the freedom that we have through information and the internet. I can literally make my living, and have done for the last at least 8 years full time, by sitting at a computer and reading charts. Now, whether that be crypto, whether that be foreign exchange or other markets, my focus now is crypto. I will say that again. I have found a way to do it, and I'm not the only one to do it. I'm not claiming to be some special human being, not at all, not far from it. What I'm trying to tell you is this: there is a way to do this. There's a way to waste your money as well. I'm going to bring to you all the mistakes that I've made. I lay them out clearly. I'm not ashamed of them. I will make more mistakes. I have made mistakes and I will make more. The idea of learning from someone like me is just quite straightforward. You can learn from the mistakes that I've made. Now, I can't give you everything. I can teach you strategy. I can teach you about routine. I can teach you how to do your reporting for trading. I can teach you how to follow a literal checklist where you tick things off to find a trade. I can't make you do it. So in a way, this is an opportunity for you. You can go through and watch this series of videos. They're absolutely free of charge. You can see what you think. If you like it, you can go and find more. You can find me on Twitter at Trader Cobb, that is C-O-B-B for Bravo. You can find me as well on Facebook, and I do content free every single day. You can check that out. You can go to tradercobb.com and have a look at all the content there as well. Again, you can just go and start plugging yourself in. Now, whether you are a trader, whether you've thought about trading, or whether you have no idea at all, this is a moment in your history where you will decide whether you do or you don't. And if you don't, honestly, I think you regret it. And I say that not just from a trading perspective, but this blockchain community, this blockchain world that is evolving right now, what we're seeing, don't just think cryptocurrency, this is crypto assets. We're seeing an amazing fluctuation in price. We're seeing an amazing move into this space. The biggest drain on Silicon Valley right now is into blockchain. If you don't know what it's about, it's time to learn, and I'm giving you the opportunity to do that free of charge. So guys, enjoy the series. There'll be 8 videos there. What I believe that you need to know to be able to have a chance at successfully trading and investing in this absolutely amazing market. So guys, thanks very much for the opportunity. I really hope you enjoy the series. As I say, it's totally free of charge. So I don't expect anything from you. Also, jump onto the podcast, the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. It is very, very entertaining. It's the largest or biggest crypto podcast in the world right now. And I think that the short little snippets are going to help you to plug in, understand, and listen to some of the interviews that I have with some of the world experts that you can plug into for free. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the series. Thanks, guys. Bye.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.